For today's 2-minute tech tip, I'm going to share 2 Outlook tips. One is Quick Parts, which I use often, and the other is Delayed Delivery, which I just learned about, but it's pretty cool. So to get started, Quick Parts is for those email messages that you have to send over and over and over again. For example, if I am typing an email to someone about their password and I want to tell them the password rules. When I start typing password rules, this comes up and I can just hit enter and it'll pop into my message. Now, how did I do that? Well, whatever you need to say often that you repeat over and over, you first type, and then in a message that is an outgoing message, you highlight it. You go up here to the Insert tab and over to Quick Parts, and you would go down to Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. Now, this is not something that I would need to save, so I'm not going to go all the way through, but you give it a name. So for example, this might be repeated. Once you've done that, whatever you have the names for, so for example, mine is password rules, I've got Lars set up. Once you start typing that word in or that title, it comes up and you just hit enter to insert. So that's Quick Parts. Very quick and easy to use. The other is delay. So if you have an email that you want to go out at a specific time, but you don't want to have to remember to send it at that specific time, you go to Options, and over here you click on Delay Delivery, and you set the time that you want that email to pop through. Once you do, you hit close. It will not send, but it will be sitting in your Outlook or your outbox over here waiting to be sent at the time that you told it to. Hope you find those 2 tips interesting and maybe useful for you. Have a great day.